The earth is a soul keeper. She tends and works the bodies, these souls into bodies, and into her own body, weaving and weaving and weaving as they grow roots and come up through the surface in the body of she. The earth is a soul keeper, a nurturer, a tender of all that is and ever was, and all that will be. Life. Her waters flowing to and fro, lapping against these souls, generating bodies full of fluidity, her streams mirroring within the body every circulation route, every lymphatic flow, the blood, a stream of water and plasma. This is earth embodied, earth embodying the soul. she is also keeper of the bones of stories long ago, dwelling within the hands of her soil, feeling them as sand between her toes, the bones with their stories uplift the souls that she is meant to carry through life, through love, through lust and luxury. The earth is a soul keeper and a bone keeper. Will you give it all to her? Will you let her carry you and sustain you in this life, in her nourishing hands, in the sweet coolness of her breath, and the lapping of her waters rocking you in life and love and lust? Yeah, hey, ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, yeah, mm-hmm. Ooh, ooh, ooh-ah-ee, ooh-ah-ee-ah, ooh-ah-ooh-ah-ee, ooh-ah-ee. And to earth, when life and love and lust is done, we return for our bones to be kept and our souls to be nourished. Breath of life, thank you, Mother Earth, for your tending and your growing, your nurturing and your folding, for keeping the wisdom of bones and souls.